joining me again at LALIK'S kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a very delicious salad recipe. We are going to make Southwestern salad. Summer I usually make salads, and today we are going to make another delicious salad. We are going to make Southwestern salad. If you haven't tried it before, you don't know what you're missing. It's so delicious and fulfilling. I'm going to start with the dressing. We are going to make avocado cilantro dressing, and it's so simple yet delicious. You can also use this with other kind of salads. But let's make the dressing first and then we'll mix the salad. For the dressing we need a blender. To the blender we are going to add our lemon juice. I have squeezed half a big lemon. This is about 3 to 4 tablespoons. We have added the lemon juice. Now we are going to add 1 clove of garlic. We're going to add roughly chopped cilantro. This is about half a cup. I'm using all the stems too, so don't throw away the stems, use the stems as well. We are going to add a few tablespoons of sour cream. I like mine to be creamy, so I'm adding 2 full tablespoons, 2 big full tablespoons. I'm also adding 1 small avocado. I'm also adding salt, pepper, and cumin. Salt, pepper, and cumin you can add it to your taste. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt now, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper, paprika actually, and maybe 3/4 of a teaspoon. This is half a teaspoon, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cumin. And now we are going to blend it. Now I'm going to taste it to see if everything is to my taste, the salt and pepper. It is perfect, I don't need to add anything. So our dressing is ready. I'm going to transfer it and put it in the refrigerator, and then we will make the salad. Now I'm going to show you how to make the tostada. Tostada is the tortilla balls. In a small bowl, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. What we are going to do, we are going to use a brush, and we are going to brush some oil to a tortilla bread. This is the 10-inch tortilla breads. I got this at Costco. You can get it anywhere in the markets. So I'm generously applying the olive oil. I'm going to make 5. Therefore, I have 5 tortilla breads here. This goes on the bottom, this goes on top. And I repeat the same thing with the other all 5s. I have applied olive oil on all my tortilla bread. So everything is coated with oil. Now I'm brushing oil all around the bowl, making sure it's all brushed with oil. Now we are taking one of the breads, tortilla breads, and we're going to put it in this. Press it down and make sure it fits perfectly. We can fold the edges. And this is what we get. And this will go into the oven and we are going to toast this. I'm going to do the same thing with all 5 of them. But this goes into the oven at 350 degrees convection oven, and we are going to toast it. Once we toast it, it's going to hold its shape. I'll go put this in the oven and I'll come back and we'll continue. I have fitted all my tortilla breads into these bowls. Those are individual salad bowls, and it's perfect to go into my oven. And I'm heating my oven at 350 degrees, and this will go into my oven and I will toast it. And once everything is toasted, then I will show you how I assemble it. I'm also cutting some tortilla stripes. I'm going to toast this too for extra crunch on top of the salad. I'm distributing it evenly, and this will go into the oven. I have chopped and prepared everything that goes into my salad. I have 2 kinds of beans. I have black bean and a red bean. I toasted my tortillas and I made the balls. I have chopped some onions, colored peppers, cilantro, romaine lettuce, and I have a frozen corn. And I also made the dressing with you, so you know what kind of dressing we're using. I have toasted my tortilla balls, and those are my tostadas. It's ready. Now we can assemble our salad. To assemble the salad, I'm going to put it in a smaller bowl and mix it, because I'm going to make an individual portion, and I'm going to show you how to assemble the individual portion. But if you're making for a bigger crowd, and my guests are coming later today and I don't want to mix my salads right at this moment, so I'm going to mix it individually and show you only one of the tostada salads, the Southwestern tostada salads. For that, I have a lettuce. I'm adding a little bit of a lettuce. I have cut my lettuce already. I'm adding some red beans, some black beans, some corn. I'm using frozen corn, but you can use fresh corn if you prefer to. Also adding some tomatoes, some peppers. I have colorful peppers here. I have red, orange, and yellow. Some chopped onions and some cilantro. Now I'm going to make this individual slice. To that I'm going to add my salad dressing that I made earlier today. It got a little thicker and I had to add a little more olive oil. So if it gets thicker, add a little more olive oil and mix it. Now my salad dressing. Now I'm going to mix it and put it in the bowl. Now I'm going to fill my tostada bowl with my salad. There we have it, our salad is ready. Southwestern salad. Now I'm going to taste it. This salad is so tasty. We all know the nutritional benefits of the beans. It's full of protein, fiber, all sorts of nutrients, and it's so good for your health. So I hope you'll try it. This is my favorite and I love it. Now I'm going to finish it. Well, here's another delicious recipe for you. Delicious summer salad, Southwestern salad. I hope you'll try it and I hope you'll make it too. For the dressing, if it gets thicker in the refrigerator, add a little bit of oil and mix it up and it will loosen it up. Don't add water, just add oil, olive oil. Thanks for joining me here at Margaret LALIK'S kitchen. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye bye. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, if you want to be notified of my new releases, don't forget to hit the bell button.